What is this? The size. Do you want to know what it is in the picture? Before I answer you, please subscribe, like, and share, and also press the notification bell so you are always updated on my videos. Thank you. Powerful corn, harvesting machines in action. Extreme farming technology. Explanation. This video shows modern farming machines working together to harvest corn quickly and efficiently. A forage harvester cuts the crops, while tractors and trailers move alongside to collect everything in real time. Heavy-duty equipment is what we need, fast and easy. This is our need.